Hi everyone, my name is Paulina. I'm part of the team here of the operation team of Solar Smart Living, and I just wanted to introduce myself, let you know a little bit of what we do here. Part of the team that makes sure that once your system, you sign a contract with us, you're ready to get your solar system, that we get it to your roof. We do everything in the middle, get your permits, your material, your design, to make sure that that solar system that you've been thinking of, you've been dreaming of, gets to your roof in the best way. And we try to make sure that our customers get the best experience out of it, from day one till the project's done and you're able to turn on your solar system. So any questions you guys may have, feel free to let us know, and we're here to do our best and give you the best experience when getting your solar system.